Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to continue restringing some of my vintage candy. And look at this, we're almost halfway through the bag here. And in this bag are most of my first bracelets. So these are the oldies. But I'm going to show you a few pieces and then we're going to restore I think just one today. This one, I can't remember who gave this to me, but I know I told you guys in the past, if anyone ever let me choose a candy, I remember they let me choose this one and I picked it because of these beads. I love these beads. Now this one's pretty cool. And I think, well, I know a guy gave this to me. I don't remember his name, but I think it was at the Eagle's Nest in Cleveland for a party. And I thought this was really unique. And definitely for that time, too. I'm pretty sure my friend Erica made this for me. If it wasn't Erica, it was Emily. I think we were making bracelets at Emily's house, and this was one that I got. But I think I did have to restring this one because I wore it so much. But I love this, really big glow-in-the-dark bead. Probably came in one of those, random assorted bags of beads. And then old jelly bracelet. Told you guys I had a lot of these in there. Here's some more. A glitter one and a glow in the dark. And this was one of my favorites. I just say that. Okay, I think all my candy is my favorite. But I really like this one. Many reasons. It has a key and these cute little animals and these big beads. A candy kid named Sparkles gave this to me. I feel like she gave this to me at the gym club. I could be mistaken, but has, yeah. I think this one's okay for now. It's a little loose, so I might need to keep an eye on it, but this one's really cute. I really like this one. It says Plur with a heart. And this one's in good shape. It's like I don't know, a textured elastic. It's held up really nicely. Now this is the one we're gonna retire. As you can see, I loved it. I loved it so much that it's unwearable. But how freaking adorable are those little candies? I've never seen those, only on this bracelet, but those are the cutest little candies. But yeah, we're gonna restring this one. So here's the knot. You know what? I might start this side. Because I'm probably going to have to cut it when I get to the letter beads. But this was made with that really thin elastic. And that's the string I started with, so I can't imagine my bracelets held up from the early days. I can't remember what year I switched to the thicker elastic. yet. I don't know if that's going to go through. No, I'm going to have to cut it. Gosh, it's been so long since I've worn this. It's going to be cool to have it back. And you know what? This might have been the first piece of candy where I saw someone use perler beads. Okay, maybe. Okay, now we're going to cut the original. Oh, it's stuck. Is that not? There we go. Yeah, there's the original. There's like no stretch to it anymore. Yeah, this is cute. Yay. Cool. All right, well, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, or not tutorial, this video. I'll see you next time.